Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Feature Overview. Better together with Microsoft 365. Business Central makes it easy to store files and share them with other people through the rich collaborative experience provided by OneDrive for Business. On most pages where files are available, we'll find an Open in OneDrive action. Report Inbox is an example. Here we have our list of top 10 customers. Let's say we want to share the report with someone, for example, a marketing consultant. We can choose Open in OneDrive to open the PDF. File attachments are another example. Here we have a blank statement of work document for our customer. We can share the documents with others and collaborate on it in real time. If we want to see what's in our OneDrive, it's easy to get there from the My Settings page. We'll just choose the link in the Cloud Storage field. When we use the Open in OneDrive action, Business Central creates a folder named Business Central in our OneDrive and a folder for the company we're working in. It puts a copy of the file we selected in the folder and then opens the file. The files in the folder are private until we decide to share them with others. Thanks for watching.